Do you know your body may be full of toxins? Toxin buildup can cause brain fog, irritability, exhaustion, stress-induced muscle aches, inability to concentrate, tiredness, restlessness and many more problems. So, improve your body and mind with a natural Asian solution. But no more worries, detox patches are created for just this purpose. They can help you get rid of those accumulated toxins in your body. Nuubu Detox Patches are basically foot patches made out of natural minerals, crystals, and acids which contribute in bodily detoxification and cleaning. You just put the patches on your feet before the night, and go rest. And, when you wake up in the morning, you can take them off and see that they have darkened. These are toxins extracted from your body. Detoxifying your body is very important to stay healthy. This product consists of some natural ingredients such as vitamin C, bamboo vinegar, wood vinegar, loquat leaf etc. which help your bodily detoxification process. Nuubu Detox Foot Patches' most evident benefit is an organic treatment to the body's problems. And there are no side effects as all the ingredients are natural and harmless. According to ancient Japanese medical knowledge, our human body has over 360 acupuncture points. More than 60 of the acupuncture points are found on the soles of the foot. These patches stimulate the 60 acupuncture points on your feet, and help detoxify your body. The herb mix draws out toxins from the feet in a safe and non-invasive way. The toxins leaving your body are what dye the patches to black. To use the Nuubu effectively, you do not even require any medical expertise. Everyone can use it without having any professional knowledge. Detox Foot Patch can release the stress and strain which has already been accumulating in the body. You can use it as a means of relaxation after a long stressful day. Let's see some review.
This product really helped me to remove toxins from my body. And I feel a lot better, and also I am more relaxed, because I now have product which can help me anytime. I also noticed that my metabolism is improved.
I recommend these ideal foot patches to eliminate harmful toxins from our body in the easiest and the most natural way. I feel it is effective and I have achieved amazing results, and I feel better.
As a result, undergoing detoxification therapy is a great option. And for this, you may need this product which natural ingredients can boost your overall health. If you think this video is very helpful, please subscribe my channel and like, comment, share this video.